Yo, fam. Welcome back to the kitchen, y'all. Look, today we making some patty melts. Now, patty melt is a little different from a burger, y'all. You put it on white toast or whatever toast you want. You can use whatever toast you want, but you should use some white toast or potato toast, whichever one. Look, first time I had one of these Jones, I was in Florida. It's a restaurant called Steak and Shake. They got Frisco melts. I don't know if they still got them, but look, them Jones popping. If you live in Florida, then you know what I'm talking about. Them Frisco melts be popping. They got some $1,000 sauce they be making, put it on there. That's what we doing today. Almost identical, but we gonna double or triple ours up. I don't know yet. Now come on, y'all. We going fresh cut fries, Frisco melt, patty melt, however you want to call it. Hit the like button, sub to the channel. Get straight into it. Show y'all how to do it. Come on. Okay, y'all. These is mainly the only veggies we gonna need. Unless you want you some tomato, you can throw you some tomato up in there. You feel me? Ain't nothing wrong with that. And look, we gonna shred these up. Of course, you can rough chop them if you want. We're gonna dice all our pickles up. You can leave a couple whole if you want. It's all how you wanna do it. This good onion, medium sized onion, white joint. We're gonna dice them up, not dice them up. We're gonna slice him up, fry him right next to our burgers. All right, y'all. We'll get straight into it. Now y'all see our potatoes over there. We're gonna peel those up and get them through our dicer or slicer. I keep saying dice. I'm supposed to say slice. That's my fault, y'all. But look, let's get to this. Come on. Nice, right? Okay, everybody. Before we play with our ground beef, where we get to flicking the meat and all, flipping and all that, and get to making our sauce, right? Now, I'm not gonna come with no direct measurements because I don't know how much you're gonna need. So it's just according to how much you want and how you want yours to taste. We want ours to be sweet, more than tangy, all right? So we're gonna use more, like 3 parts $1,000 right there. So use like 2 parts of ketchup over there. Y'all know ketchup get a little tangy, right? And we got some Dijon mustard. You don't really have to put this in yours. Dab of that. Gonna come with a little bit of total seasoning for some salt content. Go ahead on and mix that up. Now we let that thing sit. Let that thing sit in the fridge. Let that total seasoning break down. Let them seasonings, get all up and through there. All right, let's go ahead and play with this meat. Oh, play his F up, y'all. That's what I forgot. You can't forget that. A little tablespoon of that. Right? Right there. It was a little watery. I was like, hey. There we go. A little red. I was like, hold on. Didn't really need to add that, but it just felt like the color was off. The color was a little ketchup-y. All right, now same thing. Let them seasonings break down. Everything come together. Okay, y'all. Got our ground beef up out of there. Got our ground beef up in here. Look, it's our homemade sofrito. I made this a couple episodes ago. You want to know how to make it? Go ahead back and find that episode. You feel me? All right, boom. Total seasoning. Now, of course, some people don't want no seasoning in their burgers and all of that. So you don't gotta put none. Just throw some salt and pepper. All right? Ain't nothing wrong with that. Nothing at all. I eat those too. All right? Boom. Now, we gonna throw a little dash. Coarse salt. Same thing. Dash. Black pepper. A little 2-3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. All right. That joint a good mix. Make sure you're squeezing as you mix it, or you won't have a burger that's really falling apart. Unless you want it like that. Smash burger center. Don't mix your ground beef. If you throw eggs and stuff in it, and make it like meatloaf. All right, y'all. Be right back. Okay, y'all. They is getting 2 patties. I think I'm gonna get 3. She asked for 1. I'm giving her 2. I might get 3. I don't know though. But since we doing more than 1 patty, we gonna do them things 3 ounces. Okay? Now, if you're doing single patties, you can do your Jones 4 to 6 ounces. But we're going to do these Jones 3 ounces, all right? Look, I'm going to drop this Jones up on there real quick. I don't barely weigh nothing. Take a little bit of this ground beef right here. Roll it into a nice ball. Watch that again. Okay? 3, 6, all right, cool. Okay, in there. Like that. Take some onions. Down in there too. Nice burger fresh off. I think about here. So smash it down. You can smash more when we get them, so of course. Oh wow, y'all. You see what I'm underneath? I burger right there. Perfect top. You wanna do 7 out? You wanna do 4 more? Okay. 3.7. I don't know. Okay, y'all, boom. We got our 5 patties. Same size, same weight, all 3 ounces. We're gonna throw them on the skillet. We're gonna give them another smash. They're gonna go on our bread. We're gonna start building that sandwich, y'all. We're gonna get our deep fryer on right now. Get our fries ready to fry. They came out the water, hot, in the freezer. Look at them. Like out the bag. Like they out the bag, y'all. All right, boom. Come on, y'all. We get this skillet hot. Let's get these burgers cooking. All right, y'all. We'll cook these burgers off. Put 1 slice of cheese on the top, on your side down. First. Then after they done, we're gonna build our sandwiches. On your side down on there. Now, leave that paper on there. Because we're going to smash them. We'll smash them some more. Don't smash them till they go all the way through. You don't want to have holes in them, y'all. That's why we got them onions down there. Gonna protect it. You get a little sear on it, of course. You get a little burn going. Things smelling delicious. Well, let's fill this off. I ain't gonna do it with my thumb because I know y'all probably scared to do it with y'all. But look, see that? Easy work, y'all. Easy work. Go ahead and grab us a spatch. Y'all seeing what that bed of onions do, right? These bay too. Let them things go. It's a good another 2 minutes. I gotta get me another one of these things. I like this. All right, y'all, at this point, we'll drop a couple more onions. We'll give it another slap. Then we're gonna give it a flip, y'all. Make sure we ain't leaving nothing stuck. We want everything. Oh yeah. Do another, what, 60 seconds over this side? Then we're gonna drop the cheese. One slice of cheese on each. It's a real easy recipe, y'all. Come on, hit the like for me, y'all. Sub to the channel. Special ingredient I didn't show y'all yet. All right, we're gonna turn that fire down to low. Slap that cheese. Some turkey bacon. Slap that cheese again. All right. After we slap that cheese, we're gonna immediately scoop up that good other burger. Like that. All right. That's gonna melt you down. Boom, bow. Now we're gonna take this joint off. Slide it to the side. We're gonna get our bread on this other skillet. As you know, we throw these patties on the bread as the bread heating up also. All right. Yeah, paper plate, y'all. Secret. Take all that grease. Right there. Melt the rest of your cheese. All right, y'all. Let me finish the rest of these Jones. We're gonna get the stacking this sandwich. Wait, throw some of that. Do a little less in there. Yeah, y'all turn it down, turn it brown. We're gonna come straight over here like this. Just like that. Straight like that, y'all. Turn that fire down low. I'm trying to not burn, y'all. Too much, you still want your bread to stay kind of fluffy, y'all. Get thicker bread than I got. We want it to get toasted completely. So keep flipping it back and forth on low. All right. Lettuce to base real quick. Lettuce on here. Okay, y'all. Dump this joint. Cut it. Show y'all the cross section. Ooh, the thing's hot. Fresh cut, y'all. Grab the burger up. Flip. Thing sliding, of course. Lupe got lettuce on her. I'll show you the cross section of mine too. I wish y'all could smell that, you know. Take it to bed.
It really is like a grilled cheeseburger.
You gotta give it another bite so they can hear that crunch. Wait, give it a little pinch, a little squeeze, baby, with the two hands. You gotta do it with two hands.
Oh.
It ain't sliding. I put triple cheese. Triple cheese. Mama, your baby? The baby? Okay, y'all, don't mind the chicken fries. I was in the kitchen for a while, and I kind of didn't feel like eating what I was cooking anymore, and I wanted some chicken fries. I almost just ate chicken fries and french fries, but this is my sandwich. The first one was Bay's. Mine has three patties. But yeah, hit the like, sub to the channel for me. Appreciate y'all watching. Come on now, y'all. Come on now, hit the like, sub to the channel. I see y'all on the next one. Yes, sir.